on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
Kaiba siya sa lahat ng mall sa Jensen.
Come on in,
So,
look at what we've
parang change niya yung diba, from a traditional na anong tawag nito na mall to a something
High level.
extraordinary, something like that.
Ano siya? Revolution siya sa mga malls na rin sa Jensen. It's a different kind of mall. Kay siya lang yata so far lang na ay live park inside the mall. Yun.
Good and bad. Good because you have to go to Davao or Manila to have bread talk, no? Bread talk lang pala, no? You need to go to Manila to, to find the stuff you want. Pero the bad side, as they say, SM will really kill small entrepreneurs. So, I think that's a bad side. Pero on the good side then, so there's competition, real competition. Then all other departments don't has to really
Strive.
change their strategies to give more competitive prices, better prices to the consumers. So, tingnan lang natin,
Hindi siya yung typical na mall na arrangement. Not like the other SMs before. And then, yung sinihan, yun the best experience so far. Ganda.
Mura siya ka ng abriza. Na maragi ba ng abriza diri sa Jensen. Tapos, basta na siya, kaya lang ka different tawa to last time. But, malingaw siya, especially ang sinihan. Kay, mura siya og ka ng, sa taganoy, maragang theater, marag gladiator, nag-away-away sa baba. Pero ako juga siya screen, magkanga juga. Nice siya. And then, 4th floor siya. Amazing ilang car park. In fairness, kaya magtutuyo ka, mura ka og malipong. But, kato lang, ang pinaka-nice sa iha kay mura po siya ka ng mawa na style kay naasya ka ng murag banda-banda sa likod and with the fountain na naligo ang mga bata dito. Why not for shampoo na lang o conditioner ang kulang. But, yes, kato SM. Maganda siya. It's nice to have SM here in Jensen. Chat!